In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks using the Robinhood investing app so you can start making money investing in the stock market. Now, I'm also going to show you how to cancel a buy order as well. That way, if you change your mind later down the line and you decide you don't want to buy something after you've already placed a trade, you can go in there and cancel it without it going through and you basically wasting money on something that you didn't really want to buy. If you have any questions throughout this video, please leave them down in the comments below and I will answer every single question for you. Okay, so to buy a stock, you first need to know how to find a stock, which I created a whole video on that. I'll link it down in the description or somewhere above my head, but let's go through how to buy something. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your Robinhood app, and we're going to go ahead and search for a stock. But before we do that, you need to make sure that you have enough money in your account. Now, if you don't have any money deposited in, then you will see where it says buying power down there. Yours will be zero if you don't have any money in your account. But right now, I have a little over $2,000 in cash. I'm going to go ahead and click on that area right there. And this is going to show me what my buying power is and the withdrawable cash. The buying power is the most important thing for you if you're going to buy stocks because that's how much you have available to you to spend towards stocks. So that we know we're good to go. We're going to have enough. So I'm going to hit the back button. Or actually, you can hit the deposit funds down there at the very bottom. I have a whole video on how to deposit money through Robinhood. I'll link that video above my head and down in the description as well. We're going to hit back. And now we're going to search for a stock to buy. So I'm going to go to the magnifying glass down there at the bottom. And we're going to search up at the top there. We're just going to type in Tesla. We'll buy some Tesla. So there it is. We're going to click into it. And right here is where you can kind of get an idea of what's going on with the stock, right? You can get your 1 week, 1 month, the 3 month, 1 year, 5 year. And this is going to give you an idea of what the return has been in that time frame. So in the past 5 years, it's up 664%. And if you scroll down, you can get a little bit more stats about the Tesla stock, right? What it opened at, what the highs have been, what the PE ratio is, the market cap, things like this, as well as some news for that specific stock as well. And down at the bottom, you also have an analyst ratings where you've got to buy, hold, sell, and they kind of tell you what they think you should do. It's not necessarily always right, but that's just to give you a second opinion if you're interested in it. You can scroll down, get a little bit more info. So the earnings, related list that it's in, people who bought Tesla also bought these stocks, and some more information about Tesla. We're going to scroll back up, and we want to buy a stock. So we're going to hit trade right there at the bottom. If you haven't done it yet, please do me a huge favor and smash that thumbs up button. And if you like videos like this and you want more, consider subscribing down below as well. And we can choose to trade options or just buy shares of stock. In this case, we're just going to buy shares of stock for this example. And here is where you can choose how you want to buy the stock. So you can either choose to put in a dollar amount or there's some other options as well. So at the very top where it says dollars, you're going to click or press on that. And this is going to show you your options. You've got market orders and you've got buy in dollars or buy in shares, or you have conditional orders as well. So I'm not going to go into the detail of what each of the conditional orders are because you can click into them and they'll give you some detail. Once you click into it, you can hit the I at the very top right, and they're going to explain to you kind of what those conditional orders are if you're interested. So we're going to hit the X and we're going to hit back. And we're going to go back to this. Now we're just going to place an order in dollars. So this is going to be a market order, which means if you place this trade while the market is open, then the trade will most likely go through within a few seconds, honestly. So just be aware of that when you choose to place your order in dollars or in shares. If it's a market order, it's going to go through right away as long as the market is open. Right now I'm filming this video when the market is closed. So in this case, I'm not too concerned about that because I also want to show you how to cancel a buy order if you decide that you don't want to buy it. So say you place this trade at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and the market opens the next day at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you decide between that time frame that you want to cancel a buy order because maybe you got some news that you think the stock is going to be, it's going to go up. So you might not want to buy it when it's up. I'm going to show you how to cancel it. So we're going to go ahead and buy in dollars. And this is where we're going to put the amount. So we've got $2,037 available to buy Tesla. In this case, we're just going to buy $20 because with Robinhood, you can buy fractional shares. So we don't have to buy the full couple $100 per share of Tesla. So we're just going to buy $20, so a fraction of it. We're going to hit review. And in this case, it's going to give you some details down below, right? You're buying $20 of Tesla based on the current market price of $374.55. And then they'll show you what the approximate shares you'll get. So we'll get 0.05 shares. Now, if you want some more detail, you can hit the question mark down there to the right of order summary. And this is going to show you some details on what the market price was when the market closed this evening, today, and then also after market as well. So we're going to hit dismiss. Now, if we want to go ahead and place our order, we're going to swipe up to submit. And it's also going to tell you how many shares underneath the $20 that you're going to get as well if you're looking for that. So we're going to swipe up to submit. Order received. We have to wait till it actually goes through, and this is going to tell you that your Tesla order is queued. So like I said, because the market is closed right now, this trade isn't going to go through. So we can either hit done or we can view the order. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and hit done because I'm going to show you another way to view the order. That way, if you want to go through and cancel it later in the day, then you can do that. So we're going to hit done. Now, if you want to cancel this trade, so say you got some news about Tesla that it's going to go up and you think the price is going to skyrocket right when you open up or right when the market opens, so you don't want to buy yet because you don't want to buy high. You actually want to buy low and sell high. So in this case, this is what you do. So to find the orders that you have in your queue, so if you placed multiple trades, it's going to be in this area as well. You hit the little card down there. And this is going to show your recent history. So right there, you can see we've got the Tesla market buy. So if we press on that, and you can see that it's queued, right? So if we press on that, it's going to take us into all the details, right? So it's queued, it's submitted September 9th. It's good for a day and all those details. Now, if you want to cancel the order, all you do is hit cancel down there, or you can view Tesla at the very top right there. So if you want to view them just to double check before you actually cancel an order, you can go ahead there. You can go back to the screen by hitting the back button at the top left. So we're going to go ahead and cancel this order. Now, when you hit cancel, make sure that you get some sort of confirmation screen. So don't click away until you see order canceled right there. That's very important to remember, or else you might have that buy order still in and it didn't actually cancel because maybe you closed the screen before it actually went through. So that's one thing to be very careful about. If you want one free stock from Robinhood worth up to $200, then use my link down in the description to open up an account. If you want one free stock from Webull worth up to $1,600, then use my link down in the description to open up an account with them. When you first deposit $100, the first time you put money into your Webull account, you will get that free stock worth up to $1,600. Thanks for watching. Make sure to smash that thumbs up button. If you now want to learn how to sell your stock through Robinhood, watch the top video next. If you want to learn more about the Robinhood investing app overall, watch the bottom video next.